Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to complete the Vanguard Zadie quest in Fortnite. This quest offers valuable experience points and helps you progress in the game. You'll need to find Zadie on the island, accept her challenges, and then successfully complete them. I'll guide you through each step to ensure you get your rewards quickly and efficiently. To start, you must first locate Zadie on the Fortnite island. She often spawns at major points of interest, such as ritzy Riviera or reckless railways. Once you find her, simply walk up and interact to open her quest menu. Look for the Vanguard Zadie quest and accept it. This will activate the objectives you need to complete, so pay close attention to the details she provides. The Vanguard Zadie quest typically involves a few distinct objectives. These might include eliminating a certain number of opponents, collecting specific items, or traveling to particular locations. Read the quest description carefully to understand what's required. Prioritize completing these tasks within the same match if possible. Once all objectives are met, return to Zadie to officially turn in the quest and receive your well-earned rewards. Upon successfully completing the Vanguard Zadie quest, you'll earn a substantial amount of experience points, helping you level up your battle pass. Additionally, you often receive a unique cosmetic item or a small amount of V-Bucks as a bonus reward. It's a great way to enhance your locker and progress in the game. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help keep you organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.